Alright, hey guys, welcome to the second devlog for my game, which still doesn't have a name really. I mean, it has the project name One Button Maze, but I'm not gonna call it that, I think. It's a shit name. Anyways, for those that are interested, right now in the background, quick overview of all the files. Well, the ones with code in them, at least. And yeah, if you're not interested in that, I'll just put an annotation in the background so you can skip to the part with the gameplay, I think. Yeah, here you can see the classes. I have one enumerator, difficult word for me to say as a German. I don't know. And yeah, here quick overview of all the layouts I use. That's the game layout, that's the menu layout, and that's the game over dialog. The font is different, but I set that in code. Yeah, okay, here's the gameplay now. You can see I've added better graphics for the play button. I don't know if I had the high score counter before, and you can see I use a different font now. I have a pause button. You can press that to pause the game, which is kind of really useful. I think this version doesn't automatically pause when you lock your phone, for example, but I'll have that added by the time the video is uploaded, and you don't see that in the footage anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Still works the same way. If you wonder how this all works, you should probably go check out the first video I made, because I explain it in there. If you still have questions, though, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be able to answer them there, I think. Yeah, I've changed a bit in the gameplay mechanics, but I don't think you can see it too much, so I'm not even going to go over it. Yeah, here's the game over screen now. I have a home and a retry button. I'll press home this time, so it takes me back to the menu screen. Retry will obviously just restart the round. I think the version I uploaded last had a trail. I don't know, a player trail. Anyways, this one has one. I tried adding animations for the blocks to fade, but both of my phones that I can test this on are shit, so animation, and also I use Android Studio, which was a shit decision. I should have learned libgdx before. Well, I'll do that next time, but this one will still be done with Android Studio, which isn't good for games. If you want to code games, don't use Android Studio, but, well, don't be me, basically. Yeah, here you can see the retry button in action again, and I may add an option to use animations for the blocks, but that probably won't even be in the final application video, because, as I said, both my phones are shit, so it would completely lag the footage, and I'd rather have an unanimated footage than a laggy footage, to be honest. And yeah, I think that's all. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to tell me. I'd be very glad. See you guys in the next one. Bye.